So my question to you is, how do I approach buyers and get them on board in terms of marketing and ethical, sustainable fashion, especially here in the UAE?
I think as well, you might want to approach companies like Masdar or Shell Oil and Gas, or all these companies towards sustainable development, CSR, because what you want to do is build a lot of awareness of the product. It's a concept more than it is actually a look. So your target is kind of like, you know, that very socially responsible person, maybe goes to an organic supermarket, does yoga, etc. So usually this type of people might not spend that much on a piece. But I mean, in your story, you could get away with that. The web, for example, there are special websites that sell special alpaca fabrics and all of that. So I think as well, I can see it doing very well in areas like Le Marais in Paris or Soho, or you know, the very artsy, conceptual type of stores. I think you're really ahead of yourself, which is amazing. It's just about building awareness and asking the media to help you target the niche you're looking for. But it's a story, and it's so much effort and work has gone into that. I can't imagine the research you had to do.
There's a lot of versions involved in design. It's always been there, and this has always been there, but it has evolved and changed. And of course, as I learned about more fabrics,
and raise awareness about what you mean by the Hensa piece silk, you know, the Hensa part being non-violence, and what you want to achieve with your brand. And maybe you want to have a part where people can donate the proceeds to a certain charity close to your heart, support that whole angle.
do you think your bag's ready for that?
Yes. Yeah, but it's a niche, which is good.
I don't think Dubai is ready for it. You have a massive challenge here. You also need to ensure that every collection design is as eco-friendly as you would like to be, because the moment you start to come out, people will start researching on you, not only on your public aspects, on your product that you use, but in your private life as well. If there's something that is not in line with your credo or your belief, that will jeopardize your success. Dubai, I don't think is ready yet for it, even though there's a lot of talk. I mean, personally, I cannot even find a place where to put a bottle of plastic bottle, to be honest with you. I have, in terms of innovation, yes, there's a lot of talks about it. I would rather suggest market, like we suggested, and trying to start the brand in a different place. Obviously, ensure that you have a collection that you can sell, because it's not just about bringing an item to a buyer and trying to sell it in a store or a department store. You need to have something after that.
Well, in terms of, this would be more product-based, where once I graduate, there will be a collection, and I'll be going into production there. But this is just a product, and possibly on the same vein where you have clothing that's can be worn multiple ways, so it serves more functions. That is something. There are more products there that I can develop. But you don't think it can stand on its own as just jackets?
Well, if you have a collection of jackets, if you focus on the element like the hood, I think that's an idea there, and there is a detail that you can keep on working on. And it's the overall picture that I'm a little bit worried about it, because as I said, I've been trying my business to go through that path, and I had a lot of questions asked to ensure that I was working on a clean project, but then, you know, I tried to look into it myself, and I see a lot of things that people could pick up on that will not sustain my concept. So it's a challenge, it's an extra work you need to do. So if you succeed, you know, I will congratulate you, especially if you do it here in Dubai.